lots of money, but I don't know where my cash goes. I've heard this comment many times over the years. My response is always the same. First, how do you know that you're really making lots of money? And second, knowing where your money goes is as important as knowing where it comes from. Indeed, understanding that profit and cash flow are very different is mission critical. Over the past few weeks, I've shared some fundamentals about accounting for your practice. I've talked about the importance of accrual accounting versus cash accounting. I've shared how cash accounting masks problems. It doesn't tell the real story of your business financial performance. Today, I'd like to discuss how you can more effectively manage your financial performance by understanding the 3 critical reports that are the legs of the proverbial financial management stool. The first of your critical financial statements is your balance sheet. A balance sheet depicts the value of your assets and liabilities and your net worth or equity at a particular point in time. This report, if properly used, tells you how much inventory you have, how much you're owed by patients and insurance firms, the level of your working capital, and the degree of solvency you enjoy. Tracking net worth or equity in your business is fundamental to understanding your wealth-building success. The same goes for your personal financial position. Unfortunately, most optometrist owners don't have a financial system that accurately reports your balance sheet. Next is your income statement or profit and loss statement. This report documents where money is coming from and where it's going during a specific period, a month, a quarter, a year. Because most of you use cash basis accounting, your income statement simply depicts your profitability based upon what you receive and what you pay, not what you're owed or what you owe. Cash basis accounting is management by checkbook balance. As previously shared, it masks reality. With accrual accounting, this report shows you a true snapshot of the puts and takes in your business and what's left over, at least on paper, to fuel the business. If organized properly, it will highlight comparisons on key accounts such as income, gross profit, labor and occupancy costs, and of course your profit. Under accrual accounting, your income and costs are lined up. You know the true performance of your business. However, whether with cash or accrual accounting, while an income statement informs you of how much interest you pay on your debt, it doesn't inform you of principal payments or the ebbs and flows of your accounts receivable. An income statement doesn't tell you where your cash comes from or where it ultimately goes. In my opinion, the most important leg of your financial control stool is your sources and uses of cash report, what's often referred to as a cash flow statement. This report provides you with a clear understanding of what you did with your available cash. In other words, while your income statement told you that you made a paper profit of $20,000 last month, your cash flow statement tells you what you did with that $20,000, as well as the other cash resources you have available. The report will tell you if your profit simply fueled an increase in accounts receivable, or that you paid down a loan. It will tell you what happened to the money you borrowed last month or loaned to your brother-in-law. Your cash flow statement tells you how much cash you had at the beginning of the period and how much you have at the end of the period. It provides you with the answer to that first question I posed. What happened to my cash? As an optometrist owner, you operate a complex business. You have assets that ebb and flow, such as inventory and accounts receivable. You have insurance claims that may comprise over 50% of your practice income. You've debt to retire and payroll liabilities. Having the right information available to you at the right time dramatically impacts the quality of your financial decisions. Understanding the relationship between your balance sheet, your income statement, and your cash flow statement will provide you with a clear understanding of your financial performance for both the short and long term. Investing in the right financial control system will provide you with a foundation for long-term wealth building. If you feel that your financial system is lacking, that you just don't have the right information available to you at the right time, or you don't fully understand what your financial statements are telling you, perhaps it's time for a review. We're here to help.